welcome back to my channel. So today I will teach you how to write a code, or you can say programming, for security alarm system for offices, homes, commercial market, schools, universities, you can say in any emergency places. So it is too much important to develop a security alarm system. So today I will write a code with help of artificial intelligence. So I am teaching freelancing skills as well as AI skills, everything. So you should subscribe our channel. Okay, so I wrote a prompt. So you can pause the video and you can just copy this prompt as well. So you can write your own prompt according to your situations, and you are the one who can explain your scenario. Okay, so what is your required code? So AI will write a code, then you will regenerate, okay, in your own words. So you will not exactly copy or paste. You can copy, but but I think you will use your mind as well. So to give commands, input methods, and as you can say, creating functions. So programming is all about that. Okay, so when I will click on this arrow, then it will analyze first. Okay, so you can say this is the full Python code smart security alarm system. So you can pause the video and understand each step. Okay, so you can say it's a lengthy code that ChatGPT has created. So this has used while loop, if else, while. So these are the loops, so if you are a programming student, then this program is easy. So I will not explain everything step by step here. Okay, so everyone knows these are the functions, and some are the methods. So when you are good at programming, you must know these loops as well. So the example of a loop is like a weekend. Okay, so it is around a loop. So from Monday through you can say Sunday, then Monday through Sunday. So it is a loop. So programming is also works on that algorithm. Okay, so here you can see ChatGPT has explained everything step by step. So I will not explain here. Okay, so it has explained everything step by step. So when you will pause a video, or when you will generate your own program on your personal laptops, then you will understand clearly. Okay, so this is a great revolution in the artificial intelligence world. Okay, now people are investing billions of dollars in artificial intelligence, and there is a great competition between China and USA. So we all must learn AI skills and we can earn money. Okay, thank you so much, viewers. Please tap on the subscribe button.